Hey everyone, Mike Kai here from Cooking with Kai. Today we're working on my wife's car. The shield underneath, when you get your oil changed, the screws are not staying tight up in there because every time we take it to lube stop or take five, the guys are over torquing those screws that hold the splash shield up. So there is a quick, I think it cost me $12, a quick $12 fix for this under engine splash shield. And here is how you fix it. You get under here, get your car jacked up, and so this is the shield. There's the oil filter, oil drains. So this is the thing. These strip out. These screws strip out, and I ended up putting in just some stuff I had laying around, which is not the correct hardware. Here is the correct hardware. It's a T30 torque screw, in this case at least, and it screws up into these red inserts. These are the things that get stripped out by those fellas there, and so you have to replace these inserts. Guess where you can find these inserts? Walmart online. You order them. It's called you just type in 2014 Ford Focus or whatever your car is, Splash Shield Hardware Kit. And here you go. You get the whole shebang. Not much money either. Brand new Yakasaki chicken lo mein type, straight from China. But hey, they work. They work great. So what you do is you take out, or maybe this thing is flopping on you, flopping. So then you reach up here, and these have little pinch points. These things, hang on here. These things have little pinch points. See there? So you have to squeeze those at the top like this, like a Pac-Man, to get them out of there. So you get your finger up here, squeeze, push one side in, push it down, go to the other side, push it in, keep pushing down till it pops out. Then you take a brand new one, squeeze it in there, push it in, and voila, it snaps. Then you put your new hardware in here, like that. You screw it, put it up in there, put it in, and tighten her down, and that way the boys at Lube Stop, they'll be able to secure this without half-assed just stripping them out and letting this thing hang and catch on curbs and causing you all kinds of other trouble. So that's what you can do. I think this was like $12 or $14. Not much. And then you do need a Torx. Let's see, in this case these were T30. I just got these at Harbor Freight. Now they snap onto your ratchet, or you can have the screwdriver type, whatever you want, but it's really not that big a deal. So that's it. Cooking with Kai signing off. Hope you enjoyed this very informative auto repair update.